Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend, and I hope you guys have had a wonderful new year. It's Monday the 6th, so I got loads of ideas, I got lots of videos I want to do, but also I have some unfinished project from last year, and today is one of them. But I'm very happy because I finished these 3 lovely junk journals. These are the notebook style, so it's the typical junk journal that is basically attached from the top, and you got all the pages like that. These are full jam-packed of ephemera, and I'm just going to give you some ideas, and we're just going to go through one by one. If you're familiar with my videos and my channel, I do love junk journals, but I do also love papercraft. I do like card making. I do make my own gift boxes, etc. So my channel is quite, I got a broad variety of interest. I've done lots of different junk journals. Traditionally, it's the one with a couple of signatures when I tend to stitch them on the side. I have all my journals have been sold. Thank you so much guys for purchasing them, and of course those 3 I will put them to sell on my website, put them as a bundle so you guys can get them all, rather than sell which one of them individually, because they're quite thin, and also I always offer free international worldwide delivery, so you guys can get, so if I put it like this won't weight too much. You always say like, oh, what is a junk journal? So it's so hard to cover all the topic into one video, but if you guys wanted to, I've got an ebook on my website. So this is the printed version. It's called The Artful Chaos of Remanaging Memories, a Guide to Beautiful Junk Journal by Antonio Makes. So I know it's a jam-packed ebook full of information. When you buy books about junk journals or different topics related to papercraft, I always find that the actual information are probably like 2-3 pages, and the rest of the book is just packed with images to make the book thicker. Now on here it's completely the opposite, so there is no a single pictures, but you got lots of information. So just gonna quickly give you an overview on the table of content. Is what is a junk journal, the origin of junk journaling, 9 purposes of junk journals, the art of therapeutic journaling, how to start therapeutic journaling, 30 types of junk journal, craft supplies you need to make junk journal, etc. So if you guys want to download this, I will put the link down below. And as well as the ebook, you get a video which showcase all different parts of junk journal. I think it's about an hour long, but I will put the link in the info box. Right, so let's crack on with these 3 journals. So they're all very similar in a way that I have used the same papers as a base, and then of course I put them a lot of different ephemera. So the first one, it's got, as I said, they all like stitch on the top. I'm just not going to describe it all different ephemera, because otherwise this video would be way too long, but I'm just going to give you a quick flick through. There are some ephemera, different pages, coffee stained pages, all different texture. This is a linen with a little net in it. Everything I have used here I made in a way that you guys can, oh, what's happening here? Oh, there it is. Peel it all off. So these are some papers, all coffee stained. Oh, it smells. I love the smell of coffee stained papers. Then this is a postcard from my stash. This is from Naples, Peninsula Sorrentina. Italian, in case you guys have missed it. So that's Pompeii. So again, I have attached it with some washi tape, so if you guys want to take the ephemera out and use this journal just for writing, you feel free to do so. This is a beautiful linen texture paper. I hope you can see it. It's very textile, and I just put a little vintage stamp in it. So more vintage paper, coffee stained. I love these. And on here we've got a page flag, and this is from 1963. Spencer Street looking is Edinburgh. Okay, so this is original from 1963. So I pop it in there. I love this page. Then there's another page here with a little pocket on the bottom, and then you get a couple of coffee stain paper. I got a paper. This is a baking paper, the one you put in the oven. I coffee stained and I put it through the Big Shot just to give it this texture. Hope you can see it. So I think if I do that, you probably see it. Yeah. Another postcard. This is from Cloud Shadow de Langthay Valley. This is from 1962, I think. 1967. Some more coffee stain paper. There's a little stamp in there. Oh, one of my favorite. So I've got some music sheet, and I just put a little vellum adhesive on top. Another postcard. This is from France, I guess. 1948. It's original. Oh, look at this page here. This is, I hope you can see it. It's a squared paper, and I just put a little, oh, that's my favorite. This is a 1940 advertisement. Again, I have put it with some washi so you can peel it off. This is original, and it's showcase, it's advertised comb. I love that. That's so fun, and it's attached on coffee paper. This is another linen paper with a little sticker in there. More coffee stain paper. This is some photograph original from the war, 1951. As I said, sorry if I repeat myself, if you don't want the ephemera, just peel it off. Some more texture paper, and then the last page with coffee stain with a little sticker, and that's the back with the fairy and the doily. So this is number one. Number two is probably my favorite. So you've got a vellum, printed vellum on the top, on the front, and some flowers on some adhesive. You've got a lovely transparent texture paper with some cotton, and then again this is another piece of ephemera, which I always, you know, attached it with some washi so you can peel this off. I love this vintage Valentine's paper. Some more vintage embellishment. So again, you can peel this off. I love this. So this is a card from, this is a series of cards that is being limited. Sorry, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's a limited printed, and it's printed in Yorkshire, where Yorkshire is the district where I live. Love that. I love the texture of it. Some more music sheet printed on vellum. You can see my hand on the back. Couple of photographs, again just put with some washi. Some ticket on coffee paper. These are some photographs from Belgium, vintagey, and I just put here some coffee stain paper with some adhesive, some lace, and a little pocket there. And this is recycled, handmade, if you can see, paper, can you see, with some dry flowers in it. More coffee paper with some washi on the bottom. Another photograph from the wall. I loved it. This is another rare original ephemera, an advertisement that showcased the Liverpool. So yeah, I just pop it in there. Another photograph. This is Norway. Popping in there. And this is another coffee paper, and this is linen paper. More coffee stained. It's a little ticket. This is a original national registration identity card from 1950. I got a couple of those, This is what they used to have in this country. It's crazy. Crazy. It smells old. I love the smell. This is again paper made with some thread, coffee stain paper. Another postcard. This is from 1952 on a notebook papers. The smell of coffee is amazing. I love it. This is a book page. This is another homemade paper. It's handmade with some flowers. I hope you can see it. Yeah, I think you can see it. Another piece of coffee paper. I missed that. Paper with some ribbon and embossed. It took me forever to do all these different pages, so hope you guys appreciate it. There's a lot of work involved into this journal. Last one. So it's memories on the top. On the front, you've got some vellum, coffee stained with some white print. Again, some layers of paper, vintage paper. Oh, this is another identity card. This is from 1940. Is that 48? I can't even see. I think it's 48. In there. Some coffee stain paper. That's the little ephemera that you guys can pull it out. Some paper. There's some doilies in here if you guys want to do anything with it. Again, some more ephemera. This is a postcard. It's 1951. Love that. More coffee stained paper. Hope you can see this. It's a linen paper textured with thread. Can you see it? Yeah. Some more coffee paper. A couple of more ephemera pieces in here. Pop them in there. This is a photograph from 1961. And what's this? Austin. Okay. Again, I only use double-sided so you can peel it off. This is a texture paper. I hope you can feel it. Just put a little sticker in there. This is another photograph from Napoli, Naples. That's my Italy. Some vintage paper, coffee stain. This is another page of vellum that are coffee stained. Music sheet paper. Another postcard from Monte Carlo. That's unfortunately the peel off the stickers. I paid £1 for that. 1929. Oh no, where is it? There you go. Popping in there. And that's the last page. Okay, and that's the back. So you've got another coffee stained paper. Okay, so guys, I hope I give you some ideas. So these type of notebooks, junk journals, so easy to make. You just need to use all different papers and, you know, alternate with some ephemera. Just use different texture. I mean, it's, you know, everybody's all his own style. But anyway, so guys, just to recap, if you find my ebook on my website, let me show you in just a second where. And also these three are listed on my website as well. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and I gave you some ideas and inspiration. If I did, please consider giving a big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you're telling YouTube that you like what I made. It's gonna be sad to say goodbye to these three journals, because you know, it took a bit of time to make them, but yeah, I love that. So nice, so fun. And yeah, if you want to purchase them, it's free worldwide delivery. So go on Matt's website and help yourself. Have a wonderful day, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.